Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today, I'm playing Monkey Guys. And today on this video, I have became a moderator. Not just now, a few days ago. And I'll be showing you that. I'm just showing you what's in there. So basically we have the stick. Pretty cool. We have a mod badge that says mod. And we have a kick camera. This is not out yet. And yeah, that's basically all. So I hope you guys enjoyed this vid. I know they're short vid, but I promise you guys, I'll come up with longer videos than these. Just that I don't have any video ideas, which is bad. I have to come up. So yeah, that's basically the end of this video. I'll see you. Yeah. So peace out.